What's up everybody? My name is Giancarlo and today is a very special day because we have hit 100 subscribers in over a week. That's amazing. It is all thanks to you guys. So continue watching my videos, like and subscribe, all that jazz, and let's get on to the video. So, I came across this video the other day. It was posted by Erwan. He made Sizzling Bulalo and added his own twist to it. It had everything. It had a nice cut of meat, cooked tenderly, roasted vegetables, a dank-ass sauce, and chili garlic oil. As I was watching that video, I thought to myself, fuck, that's delicious. And it inspired me. It inspired me to try and recreate this dish or cook my own version of it. So yeah, let's get cooking. The secret with every dish is the seasoning. Some salt and pepper can go a long way. Season your shanks on both sides. Pro tip, keep one hand wet and one hand dry. Now it's time to sear these bad boys. In your skillet of choice, heat up some oil and brown both sides about 2 to 3 minutes each. We're searing them to add flavor and color. See the pan drippings? Don't forget to deglaze because I want to get as much flavor as possible. You can normally simmer this on the stovetop, but I am going to cheat today and use a pressure cooker. I add the pan drippings, the meat, season with salt and pepper, and some aromatics. I use cloves of garlic, onion, peppercorns, and a bay leaf. 50 minutes is more than enough to tenderize the meat. Now that your beef shanks are tender, let it come to room temperature before storing in the fridge overnight. Now it's time to make that chili garlic oil. Combine olive oil and butter in your skillet over low heat. I grated a whole bulb of garlic and gently cooked it in the fat. Control your heat so it doesn't burn. Once your whole house and everything smells like garlic, add in your chili flakes. How much depends on your tolerance for spiciness. I'm going to stick to more traditional ingredients for our roasted vegetables. Simply cut your cabbage into eighths and quarter your white onions. I will be using green chilies today and some corn. Evenly coat your vegetables with your chili garlic oil. Pop it in your oven for about 20 minutes. Oven temp is at 190 degrees Celsius. Now it's time to put everything together. Look at that gelatin that formed overnight. Separate the fat and set aside. In the same skillet where you made the chili garlic, add in your coagulated fat and some of that oil you made. Add in some flour to the fat. This is called a roux. Add in the liquid you cooked your shanks in and whisk to avoid lumping. I'm going to simmer this for at least 15 minutes to cook out the starch from the roux while seasoning along the way. Return your beef shanks into the gravy and just baste it. Give it a good bath. Simmer it until you reach the desired consistency for your sauce. All that's left to do is to assemble the dish. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. This is my version of Sizzling Bulalo, inspired by Mr. Erwan. Thank you all for watching.